Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another unboxing. And this one is through Bulq liquidation. If you haven't yet, like and subscribe. And we're just going to get right into this. I've already opened it, so we're just going to check out and see what we have today. So, start off, we have Cat and Jack 9 and 10 size large slippers. And we have Cat and Jack size 5 to 6 small slippers, some kids stuff. We have a Cat and Jack little hairpiece for girls. And we have two cute little Cat and Jack winter side pieces. These are newborn, both newborn. And we have two, both 3 to 6 months. These are also Cat and Jack little slipper footies. And we have Who What Wear, size small, women's top. This looks like a summer pantsuit. And this is a Wild Fable size extra large. We have a women's top size medium, Who What Wear. We have a maternity, Isabel maternity size double extra large dress. We have some black Levi, Denizen Levi jeans, pants. I guess these are jeans. Size. I'm not seeing a size. Well, we'll just have to figure that one out. It doesn't show a size. Okay, we'll figure that one out. And then we have another top. This is universal thread, size double extra large, women's top. We have a sweater that is a New Day, size small. This is a perfect sweater for fall coming up. Some great jeans here, skinny jeans that are universal thread, a size 8, 26 waist. We have some distressed pants, jeans, distressed at the leg and up here, and down at the bottom there. These are Wild Fable, they're button up. This is a 00. We have a bra with a back clasp by Hanes. We have some hair scrunchies. Some women's slacks with belt. These are a New Day, size 8. Right leg. Straight leg. Here's a pretty jacket, Wild Fable size large, women's jacket. Again, perfect for fall coming up. We have a dress, a New Day size medium. We have some pants, a New Day size double extra large. Look like nice lounge pants. Some more jeans. These are universal thread, size 10. There's my mid-rise jegging. We have a pretty purple dress. And this is universal thread, size medium. We have another pretty top. This is this is size small, 6X, by Art Class. A couple more things. We have this really awesome camo jacket. Ladies camo jacket, size medium, by Universal Thread. We have some great Frozen hats for the kids. These are awesome. There's 3 of those. One more things. These are so adorable. They're little bear red plaid slippers for kids. Super cute. And last but not least, we have a pair of underwear in here by Auden, size small. So that's it for this load, guys. We do have some other boxes we're going to be doing. We'll probably do those next week. Been just doing tons of listings. Check out our closet. Again, thanks for joining us today. We'll see you next time. Again, like and subscribe. We've got lots of future videos coming up on unboxings and other things. Have a really great day. This is Friday. Happy Friday, and have a great weekend. We'll talk to you guys next time.